I am Dr. Seow Chu Tai from Ipoh, Perak. I am currently attached to Perak Community Specialist Hospital, Ipoh, as a consultant general surgeon since March 2020, 2 days before MCO. I worked as a general surgeon for last 17 years. Before joining PCSH, I worked in Manjong. Therefore, I am new in Ipoh. In the last 17 years working as a general surgeon, I have witnessed great development and improvement in medical sciences and technologies, helped many patients in terms of comfort in surgery and enhanced process of faster recovery with minimal risk of complications. Such example is hemorrhoids treatment. The conventional method is open surgery, which most patients are afraid of, mainly due to the pain and prolonged care for open wound after surgery. Even though staple hemorrhoidoplasty produces lesser pain as compared to open surgery, in my experience, latest laser hemorrhoid treatments produces an even better results and patient comfort. Today, I'm going to share with you about laser hemorrhoid treatment.
就是可能是蹲得太久，所以我就导致我的痔疮就跑了出来。所以那时呢，我就超级的紧张，就去 pharmacy 买了一些药来擦。但是过了1、2天的话，那情况还是没有好转啊。所以我心里就很着急，但是又不懂去找什么医生。所以 doctor 就跟我讲解说，雷射的那个过程是怎么样。就是跟我说，它是一个很微创的一个手术，会让我不会觉得痛，也不会有大量的出血。 但是呢，我还是觉得有一点没有听过这样的东西啦。
雷射痔疮治疗在怡保算是一种新的微创治疗方式，很多人都没听过这种雷射治疗的方式，因为无知，所以很多都害怕这个治疗的后果，也担心它会不会有副作用。其实这个治疗的方式在马来西亚已经成立了大概有6年的时间。 我本身也使用这个治疗的方式，也大概有3年的时间了。在本国有好多医生在其他的州属也使用这一些的方式，所以这方式也蛮普遍的。当我解释这雷射痔疮治疗的方式给这个病人，他就非常的高兴，因为这个雷射的治疗方式不用开刀，所以没有留下伤口，是非常的微创。
但是呢，回到家，我家人就说：“哎呀，这样的情况你还是不要这么快做决定，你就先去找另外医生。”所以我就去找了另外一间医院去做了另外一个医生的检查。但是那个医生说，你的问题还是一样需要做手术，然后他同时也是会用另外一个技术来帮我的痔疮拿掉。他那个是叫什么 PPH 啊，是另外一个好像是 stapler 之类的一个仪器。他就给我看了 ，OK， 你看我就用这个东西给你做。 但是我看到那个东西的时候呢，我会觉得吓了我一跳，因为那东西实在是很粗，所以我就回去我就上网做了一些 research 关于这个手术，所以我觉得还是有一点危险性在那边，因为它还是会有伤口，可能会让我过后会不舒服的，所以我在想了，所以我再回来，doctor下我说，doctor下我还是选择做你那个雷射手术，doctor再仔细跟我讲那个手术是怎么样的一个过程，然后说它的疼痛呢会。 比其他手术来说，其实是减到了差不多80%，所以可能会有20-30%的那个不舒服而已。其他的话呢，就是复原期会很快给我复原，也不会说耽误我日常生活的负担啊。所以我就认为说 ，OK 了，那我就跟 doctor make appointment， 就开始做这个手术了。
简单的来说，雷射手术的原理就是雷射阻断了血管，提供给痔疮，在这没有 血提供给痔疮的情况之下呢，痔疮就会自然而然的萎缩，这只需要短短的时间，痔疮就会消失。在这期间，病人通常都不会感受到疼痛。
当天过后呢，其实它痛的是因为我的伤口，因为我是有伤口在外面的，但是里面的那个呢，其实是没有什么感觉的，所以就在家休息了1天2天，其实2天过后我就上班了的。 所以它其实是没有影响到我的日常生活，是没有的。我觉得做了之后是很舒服的，
This is how a laser fiber look like. Many are wondering whether laser has any radiation or side effect to the body. The answer is no. This is a medical grade laser that releases a controlled amount of energy to avoid harmful effect to the other tissue. Hence, it is very safe, no side effect, and will not harm your body. In this model, there are two sets of muscle fiber that guarding the anal canal, and this is a laser fiber with the red light on. It will help us to guide us exactly to place the laser fiber into the hemorrhoidal tissue as shown here. Once we have placed it right up to the pedicle, and the laser will be activated, and this will obliterate the feeding vessels into the internal hemorrhoid tissue, and with that we will withdraw it bit by bit, and then the different pulse of laser energy will be released, and as we withdraw we will release the energy, and this will completely obliterate the internal hemorrhoids. The advantage and the good things about this laser, it only emits 4 mm circumferential energy that will be sufficient to obliterate the hemorrhoidal tissue, and it doesn't go deeper and injure any of the deeper structure such as internal sphincter or external sphincter. Hence, it is very safe.
Saya Zam dan mempunyai simptom penyakit buasi selama 2 tahun. So saya fikir buasi ni tak ada apa-apa. So saya tahan, saya biar sampai sekarang lah. Gejala yang saya alami ni semakin teruk. Tinggallah satu hari saya pergi ke tandas, saya melihat banyak darah di dalam mangkuk tandas. Itu yang membuatkan saya takut. Dan ketika itu saya keluar dari tandas, cahaya matahari terang. So saya berasa sedikit pening. Saya mula risau. So Dr. Seow juga telah menjelaskan bahawa jika duduk terlalu lama di atas mangkuk tandas, tambahan pula makanan pedas yang akan memburukkan lagi gejala buasi. So saya ingin berkongsilah sedikit pengalaman di sini, penting untuk anda semua di luar. Jangan mengabaikan jika anda menemui darah ketika buang air besar. Saya tak menyangka bahawa saya boleh menghidapi anemia kerana buasi.
Kebanyakan orang bimbang tentang risiko ia berulang balik selepas rawatan laser. Setiap operasi buasi mempunyai risiko tertentu untuk berulang. Menurut pengalaman saya yang telah saya buat operation laser ini selama 3 tahun, tidak pernah ada satu pesakit pun yang telah menghadapi penyakit berulang balik. By doing open surgery, they might have the risk of infection due to wounds, and also possible complications such as stricture, incontinence, and long wound recovery. In the early days, without laser hemorrhoid surgery, I perform many open surgery. After the surgery, I usually advise patients on strict criteria in terms of wound care, because it is very important to prevent wound complications such as bleeding and also infections. And usually the wounds will take about 3 to 4 weeks to heal completely. In stapler hemorrhoidoplasty, hemorrhoids are sutures in the anal canal, and the stapler device will be fit into the anal region, and hemorrhoids will be pulled into the device. Doctors will fire the device, and hemorrhoidal tissue in the form of donuts will be removed. If it is not been done carefully, sphincter muscles may be injured, which could lead to incontinence. It is a good, minimally invasive and lesser pain as compared to open surgery. 3 years ago, when I came to know about laser treatments, I found that it is a low-risk procedure. In these operations, the risk of wound infection is low. It is good for patients because there is no open wound, there is no need for wound care after the surgery, and there is very low complication rate such as strictures and incontinence. So far, after treated 80 over cases since last 3 years, I have not seen a patient came back with strictures or incontinence. The risk of wound infection is extremely low. Patient has fast recovery, and they all reported with good quality of life after the surgery. However, after I have started laser surgery for hemorrhoids treatments, I have found out that comparatively, laser surgery is better to staple hemorrhoid treatment. Since I have started laser hemorrhoid treatment for my patients, I feel very happy to see them after the treatments. Immediately after the surgery, they can sit on the bed and talk to me. If it is other treatment, they might need to lie down for days because of pain. On the other hand, those who have gone through conventional surgery, post-operatively, they always present with pain and restricted movements. Post-operative pain score is always the major concerns to those who receive hemorrhoid surgeries. For open surgery, the pain score right after the surgery will be about 8 to 9. And for stapler hemorrhoids, it is about 4 to 5. Whereas for laser hemorrhoids, immediate post-op, the pain usually fall between 2 to 3. As you can see, the pain score of 3, usually patients will present with smile because it is tolerable. The day after the surgery, the pains will reduce to 0 to 1. That is why I always see patients with big smile when I go to visit them. I can see a big difference not only in technology wise, but also patients' comfortness, pain score and satisfaction.
如果有痔疮的朋友呢，其实他们也不用那么害怕啦。其实他们可以来医院这边直接找肖医生，他会推荐他用他的方式来跟他们治疗他的痔疮的。其实不是什么大问题啊，就是小问题的一个。
Saya benar-benar berasa bersyukur kerana saya telah menjalani rawatan laser untuk buasi ini. Lihatlah saya sekarang, adakah saya kelihatan seperti baru saja menjalani pembedahan sehari sebelumnya? Tidak. Walaupun itu adalah pembedahan buasi di bahagian tubuh, saya sama sekali tidak merasa sakit. Saya dapat duduk dengan selesa selepas pembedahan semalam.